Morning, I think. I don't know.
Heat warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following county: Lee, Illinois.
Wait a minute. There it is.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Joe Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, western Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 9 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near north to Scales Mound, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Stockton, Warren, Pearl City, Woodbine, Scales Mound, Apple River, Winslow, Nora, Shiloh, Mascot, Lauren, Kent, Leroy, Damascus, Lake Lackawanna State Park, Apple River Canyon State Park, Stockton Airport, and Elmville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. The following is a summary of watches. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Joe Daviess and northwestern Stevenson counties is canceled. This severe thunderstorm warning has been replaced with a new severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Joe Daviess and western Stevenson counties. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. for northwestern Illinois.
Oh wait, another one. The heck?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Durand, or 9 miles west of Rockton, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Durand, Shilland, and Harrison. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Rockford and surrounding communities. An excessive heat warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following county: Lee, Illinois.